Welcome to Track Time by Race Grooves. I will be testing 24 cars that came out of that case. The start of the layout is the Hot Wheels shock ramp. Red from the Angry Birds is going to help us out. Hey Red, don't be angry, you get to play. When we start, the cars are going to race down the Hot Wheels shock ramp into a kicker loop. When they exit, they will race around this curve and take a ride in the elevator, another drop into a U-turn, and blast through another kicker loop to fly over a jump. This is a 6-inch gap. If they have a great landing, we will be watching to see how far they can coast on this runway. Only the very best will make it all of the way to the end. Okay, Redbird, we're ready for you to test out the track. Wow, one and done. Now the cars that come out of the case, they're going to get 2 chances on the track. If a car needs a second chance, Red's going to help us by marking the spot of their first chance. For now, Red is going to hang out over by the jump. I might not show you each time, but 4 of these stunts have to be reset if they were triggered. Now it's time for the first car. It is Roadster. It was one of the models that came out of that case. Roadster successfully makes the jump. Doesn't make it all the way around, but that's a successful run. Now we will have Red from the Angry Birds come on over to mark the spot so Roadster can go take his second chance. Somebody forgot to reset. Okay, Roadster, you see Red? Try to get better than that spot. Yes, better. We'll set him by the side of the track. Let's see if other cars can do better. Now it's time for the BMW 2002. That was better than Roadster's first attempt. Second chance. That didn't sound too good. Jumps through the air, but didn't have enough speed to make it all the way up on the landing pad. Look who showed up to let the BMW know, hey, go over to your best spot. Thanks, Red, for helping us keep track of his best race. Here comes Futurismo. It's a great track car, very low profile, but how's it going to do on the kicker loops and that jump? A successful run, jump, and landing, but his long body kind of slows him down going around that curve. Let's see if he can go further this time. Well, just a wee bit further. At least he's consistent. Now it's time for the Lamborghini Huracan LP 620-2 Super Trofeo. Fantastic looking exotic car. The only thing, it has a splitter under the bumper, and that might cause problems in the loops. Yep, just as we suspected. Red is going to mark the spot. Let's just try the Lambo starting from the elevator. Hey, Red, don't be banging up the Lambo. That's an expensive car. Up next, Double Demon. I don't know which way it's supposed to face. This way? That way? We'll go for this way. Double Demon just barely made it around the curve, but look, right in the rails. Check this out. Double Demon was going so fast, he didn't even land on the ramp. Cleared the ramp, landed on the track, and that's what caused him to bounce and lose control. Let's head on back to the start and give you your second chance. Remember, Minion Pig marked the spot. Zoom! Right by Minion Pig. Red made it all the way, but Red was only a special guest. This is the first one from the case to make it all of the way. Terrain Storm was suggested. Now, it doesn't look like a track car, but that's what track time is about. We test cars to see which cars work on the track. Let's check it down here, see if it fits. It's a tight squeeze. The wheels go from sidewall to sidewall. It's rubbing. It's squished. Well, that ain't gonna work. It doesn't even fit in the shock ramp. I can squeeze it in between the sides, but it's just gonna get stuck. It's not gonna come out. Well, let's go ahead and see what happens. That's what I thought. Nothing. Let me give him a little push. Maybe I can get him to squeeze out. Come on. Come on. Go. Go. Go! Bonk. Well, now we know Terrain Storm doesn't fit on the track. We got to check it out. But it's just fine as a Hot Wheels model that you can drive around and have fun with. The custom Ford Bronco. Look at those big wheels. I don't know if it's going to work. Hey, guess what? It fits on the track. What happened? It worked on top just fine. You know what? This part is more slender than the top. It gets stuck. See, that's what we do on track time. Test which cars work on which parts. Oh, okay. You worked this time. Let me manually release him from the start. Go! No good for the kickers either. Come on. Don't you want another chance? All right, that's enough. You can sit over here with your off-road buddy. Now it's time for Scupa de Fuego. It says it's a track star. Since Red's over there guarding the Lamborghini, we'll have Minion Pig come over and mark the spot for Scupa de Fuego. Second chance. Let's see if he can make it further around the curve this time. Is it going to go all the way? Oh. He did better than Roadster. Double Demon went all the way though. Still a very good run by Scupa de Fuego. Here comes the 96 Nissan 180SX Type X. Just like the Lamborghini, we have a clearance problem in the front. It's very low. Check it out. Sometimes the wheels don't even turn. This time listen closely. You'll hear a bunch of noises. That's the front end bumping into all sorts of stuff on the track. It's so low. Well, that'll do it. Excuse me, Red. Grrr. Hey, take it easy. Just pushing you out of the way. Hey, don't be giving me side-eye. This is Tour de Fast. Kind of like Tour de France. It's transporting 2 bicycles. Come on, you're still angry? That's okay, Minion Pig is here to help out. Let me adjust the track a little bit, make sure it's straight. A very good run, finishing right in front of Roadster. Let's take a look at that jump. Airborne right over the landing pad, didn't even touch it. Does a good job recovering. Makes it around the curve. Success. Go ahead and take your spot. As for Minion Pig, let's move him away from the track so I don't get confused later on. Look at that low rear end. This is the 65 Chevy Impala. It's a low rider. You know those earlier cars had a low splitter in the front. This one is low from the front all the way to the rear, especially in the rear. Well, they could have called him Tail Dragger, but that's another car. It's already a Hot Wheels Tail Dragger. Let's go ahead and give him a push to see how he does in the kicker loop. Yeah, not designed for anything with the steep angle. I'm sure it's fun to drive around on the track or drive around on the carpet, wherever you like to play with your cars. Coming up next is the Corvette C7.R. We'll see this race right after this break. Here's the Hot Wheels Corvette C7.R. It's also a low-profile car, but check out the splitter. They didn't make the splitter to where it comes straight out. It has a curve. That means it can go through loops. This car was in the HW Race Team series. It has Race Team decos. Oh! Overshot the landing pad. Scrapes the nose. Flips over. Minion Pig, where are you? Thank you. Okay, here we go. Give him another shot. Yeah, sometimes that one doesn't stay down. Really? Really? Ah! From overhead, you can definitely see that he crossed into the white, but not quite all the way. We'll go ahead and make a spot right here. Not quite all the way, just over the line. Now it's time for Night Dragon, a fun Hot Wheels car. I'm curious how this feature here is going to affect him in the kicker loops. And we have another car going all the way. Let's go ahead and move Double Demon over. Put Night Dragon right next to him. Got a couple dragons. For now, I'll put the Corvette over here. Now from across the pond, it's the 67 Austin minivan. When you look at it, are you already wondering how well it's going to do? Do you have an idea? Did you think it was going to do that? That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and give him his second chance. Always got to do my resets. Oh, he got turned around backwards. One good run, one pretty good run. Here you go, here's your spot. Thanks again to Red for helping out. Now let's set him to the side. Here comes a Chevy Silverado. Look how long it is. It hangs over the edge. Here's another one. It's kind of low to the ground and the bumpers stick out. Doesn't let it roll through the loop. Look, the wheels aren't even rolling. There you go, Bubba. There's your spot. And now it's time for Nitro Door Slammer. It's a good track car. The only thing is it has like this wheelie bar. That might cause problems in the kicker loop or in the loop. We'll find out. There's your problem. I don't know about you, but I heard it clicking when it was coming down the shock ramp. That's because it was dragging and it has these spots. So, yeah, that doesn't help. If anything's rubbing on the track besides the wheels, it's gonna slow you down. We won't bother to put you through another trial. Here we go, Muscle Tone. Hey, wait a second. Didn't you win elevator action? And there's an elevator in this race? Is that fair? Hey, what are you doing? Here we go, second chance. Surely you can do better than that. Oh my, what an upset. Muscle Tone doesn't even finish. He didn't even get to the straightaway. Not today. Now it's time for Pedal Driver. It's a little bitty car. Look, it's even shorter than the Austin minivan, and that's mini. It's actually about the same size as Red. Nice run, but I made it all the way to the stop block. Pedal driver doesn't have enough speed this time to clear that landing ramp. What you would normally do is close that gap so that pedal driver could make it. For today, everybody's getting the same 2 chances on the same layout. That's okay, because pedal driver already had a successful run. Here we have Zoom. Now when I pick the cars for the races, I try to pick a variety of cars. I didn't realize that I picked a few with low front ends. I'll do this real quick, but you know what's going to happen. Come on over. They've been waiting for you. Here comes Chill Mill. It says it's a track star. They wouldn't lie to us, would they? Hello, I think you forgot somebody. Second chance. Oh, almost made it all the way around. Couldn't quite make the jump. Again, if you were playing, you would just not make the gap so wide. Next, here we go. Ice Shredder, another track star. It's a really skinny model. It has a lot of wiggle room in between the lane. Come on, you afraid? Aren't you like a bobsled team and you should be able to do this all the time? You're afraid of the downhill, you're afraid of the kicker loop. You want to do the luge? I think you're delusional. Now it's time for the 73 Pontiac Firebird. Woohoo! After a couple less than impressive cars, if you know what I mean. The 73 Pontiac Firebird goes all the way. Might as well put them in order. Red, white, and blue. It's the Hollinator. Out of all the trucks in today's presentation, this one should do the best. Come on! Oh, not enough speed to make it all the way over the jump. Clips the edge. I think Minion Pig helped me out more than Red, didn't he? Did you keep count? Who helped more? And another jump fail. At least his other fail was further, so he gets that spot. Here's our last car, the 10 Camaro SS. You can see the red light bar on top. That's because it's a member of the HWPD, Hot Wheels Police Department. Well, at least it's a better run. Hey, where's the light bar? What's going on? Something's not right. Rewind. Yeah, rising it must. No, no, you're all yellow, so we. No, red, but let's see hello. Okay, let's see what happened. I grabbed the wrong car. Sorry, you get another chance. Let me make room for the Corvette. I should have had it on this winner's side anyways. Okay, double check. Yep, got the red light bar. Sorry about that, Minion Pig. Hey, did you want a chance at the track too? Okie dokie. And we have another winner. Congratulations, Minion Pig. Red, come on, Red. Why are you so mean? Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.